Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're reviewing Runway ML, the AI-powered creative suite for videos, images, and effects. Is it truly empowering creators, or does it come with hidden headaches or high costs? Let's break it down. Runway ML delivers a suite of tools, from text to video generation and image synthesis to advanced editing like background removal, camera tools, lip sync, and generative audio. The intuitive, cloud-based interface makes it accessible for both beginners and pros. Team collaboration is built in, and it integrates with tools like Adobe Premiere and Figma. On the plus side, creators praise its cinematic, professional outputs. It offers a free tier to get started, with subscription plans ranging from about $12 to $76 per month, depending on required credits and features. The platform consistently updates its models and offers robust branding and production tools. But it's not perfect. The credit-based pricing can get expensive fast, especially for heavy video generation. Many users report that free plans are limited and paid credits don't roll over. Some creators say prompt adherence is hit or miss, leading to unpredictable results that waste credits. Hardware-wise, being cloud-dependent means you need a stable, high-speed internet connection. The learning curve for advanced features can also be steep for new users. So, is Runway ML worth it? If you're a creator seeking cinematic-level AI tools, quick image and video editing, and team collaboration, and you can manage credit use and subscription fees, Runway ML can be a powerful ally. But if you're tight on budget, need consistent outputs, or dislike credit-based payment models, it may feel more frustrating than freeing. And that would be all for today's review video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.